So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a keyframe in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is open the CapCut app you have on your PC. So let's do that. On here you can see a layout similar to this one. You can see import yours spaces library. So once you've added a video, and you can see here this video looks something like this. It has frames, so you want to make some frame a keyframe, that's fine. So let's just click on the video itself and choose this frame as a keyframe. Now on here you will see some setup like video, audio, speed, animation, adjust. Go to video and you can see the basic setup. You can see transform, you can open and close that, and you can see here add a keyframe. So if you click on this, right click the keyframe to create variable speed animations. So you can see here this little diamond right here means that's a keyframe. So you can see uniform scale is turned on, scale is turned on as well. So you can have some very specific options for this keyframe, and you can have it looking a bit different than some other frame. And if you go to, let's say, this frame and wish to dedicate this as a keyframe, again click on that and you can see the diamond is different. If you wish to set it up, just click on this. You can see the frame setup will look the same as it did previously, but if you go to some other part of the clip, you can just turn this off and you can see some other setup is to some other keyframes. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.